Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Army Forex. I'm always excited to come your way with the analysis of the pairs that I trade, share with you what I'm looking at and how I will be anticipating the market in the coming week. I've been away for the past 3 weeks because I was busy with other activities. I was trading though, but I couldn't find time to make videos, but I'm excited to be back and I'm hoping to be able to bring analysis week in and week out. Next year is going to be great. We're going to be doing more analysis and if possible, have some live sessions and share 1 or 2 ideas with the community. If you are seeing this video for the first time or if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so that anytime we upload content like this, you will be among the first people to be notified. So subscribe and press the bell notification so that anytime I upload any content, you will be notified and be among the first people to watch these videos. At least it will help you to give you some idea as to how to trade the market. On our screen is GBP USD, and this is the monthly chart. Let me zoom out Let me zoom out, sorry, so that we can see it well. We can see on the monthly, I usually, if you have watched any of my videos, you realize that I usually start my analysis from the weekly, and then I come to the daily and the 4 hours. That is how low I come. The lowest I come is the 4 hours because I'm a swing trader. So I do not usually go to the lower time frame. I only scale down to maybe 2 hours or 1 hour or 30 minutes when price has gotten to my area of interest and I'm looking for entries. That's the only time you see me come into the lower time frame. If not, the lowest that I come is the 4 hours. Now, when we look at the monthly, I am analyzing from the monthly because the month just ended and this week is going to be the first trading week of the month. And that is why I am looking at the monthly time frame. And on the monthly time frame, the only thing that I come to look at is to check candlestick patterns and what has been formed, what the candlesticks that was printed in the previous 3 months or so. Yeah. So when we look at the chart, we'll realize that there is a morning star pattern that has been formed. And this morning star suggests to us that price is going to continue pushing up based on that. But the market structure on the monthly is bearish. Yeah, it's bearish. You realize that price was made a higher low, higher high. Then we form the lower low. Yeah, we form the lower low. Sorry. So the market actually on the monthly is bearish, and for me, I'm seeing pardon me. Let me draw it again. So we form the higher low, higher low, higher high. Then we came to form a lower low, making this point, making this point the lower high, and this is a lower low. Then from here, we came to form a potential maybe lower high or something. Since market has not broken structure in any of the direction, this is a potential higher low. But I am seeing this more like a head and shoulder. This is a shoulder here, the head. So the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. that is what I am seeing. It hasn't formed fully yet, but that is what I am seeing. But if you look at the market structure, then we are bearish even on the monthly. That notwithstanding, market has formed a morning star that suggests to us that price is going to go up. Yeah, but I usually do not talk about moving average, but if you watch at the EMA, you realize that price is also testing the EMA. And anytime price has tested it, it dropped. It tested it here, it dropped. Yeah, so it is testing it. There's a small rejection on the last month candle from this zone. Let's zoom in into the weekly. And the last video that I did about 4 weeks ago, I said that at that time, price was bullish on the 4 hours and on the daily, but on the weekly, we were still bearish. And even up until today, we are still bearish on the weekly. So for me, on the higher time frame, we are bearish. Even on the monthly, we are bearish. We are bearish. And let me see. Could this also be a potential something that like a head and shoulders that is being formed? We don't know yet, but let's wait to see how it's going to play out. Yeah. But the last video that I did about 4 weeks ago on the Gbpusd, I also predicted that price, although on the weekly we were bearish, based on these candlestick, this engulfer, a bullish engulfing candlestick that was formed, I predicted that price was going to push high to come to this zone, exactly where price is, around this place. Why did I make that prediction? I made that prediction because when you take your fib and you move it from the swing high to the swing low, I said that price was going to come to the 61.8, between 50% to 61.8 region before we will see any rejection and drop. And precisely so, that is the level that we have gotten to. And on the weekly, you will not see any too much, you're not getting too much information. But when you come to the lower time frame, like the 1 hour, you realize that when price got here, it has been consolidated, telling you that price is struggling to push above this region. Price is struggling to push above this region. You get it, sir. So price has gotten there exactly as I predicted, and is doing that. So, but let's see what happens in the coming week when you see the daily, when you what the daily time frame, the daily chart, you see that an evening star was formed. An evening star was formed. Although after that, on Friday, price pushed up, but an evening star was formed. On the 4 hours, on the daily, we are still bullish. We are still bullish. We formed a new high. We are still bullish. On the 4 hours, we are still bullish. We are still bullish. And this makes this market a little dicey. Although my bias is the price is going to drop. It's going to drop. But I'm not going to rush into this market. Yes, I'm not going to rush into this market. Realize that where price is a strong resistance area. That price has been struggling to break, and price has reacted severally at that region. Even on the 4-hour check, on the 4-hour chart, you see a lot of reactions at this region. On the daily, the same thing. We see a lot of rejection. a lot of reaction at this region. You get it. But like I said, there is no weakness shown on the weekly candle. So I'm not going to rush into this market. I'm going to see what price will do at this region. I'm going to see what price will do at this region, this zone. Yeah. If price breaks above it, and retests it and shows a rejection, then we are going to buy. Continue with the buy. You get it? Yeah. That is one possible scenario. Although I am of the strong faith, I believe that price will push a little bit up and fake. It will fake out. Price will fake out. Like it will break it to give us to form a fake out and then break down below the zone and then sell downward. So I'm expecting that price probably may break out of this zone and test this region. Yeah. So I'm looking for price to do something like this, push up to this level and break down, retest this zone and drop. So that is what I will be anticipating. But until then, I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to wait for the daily close of Monday candle close to be able to actually predict precisely what price will do. But until then, I'm going to stay put and wait to see what market will do. So for GU, I'm going to hold on. I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to wait to see what market will do on Monday. Then I'll be able to take an action. So that is that for GU. Let's look at the dollar index. We are bullish on the monthly. We are bullish on the monthly. We are still bullish on the weekly. And for me, my bias is always towards the higher time frame. So, and when you look at the weekly, I see all of these as just a pullback. For the dollar, for me, I think the dollar is still going to go up, and this is just a pullback. And if you use your fig from swing low to swing high, from swing low to swing high, you realize that price has come to tap into the 61.8% region, and it has rejected it. So I see the dollar gaining some strength in the coming week, and that is why I am bearish on GU. But like I said, I am still going to wait to see how Monday will close to be able to make an informed decision. It's possible price can break here, retest, and continue upward. Price can also push a little bit up, give us a fake out, drop down, and then continue to sell downwards. So that is that. I hope if you find any value in this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, press on the bell notification so that anytime that I upload any content like this, you'll be the first to be notified and watch it. Until I come your way again with another video, may the market favor us.